Hello everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. Shaneil Muir may be leaving Dancehall for Christianity following health challenges. After collapsing from exhaustion on Saturday, dancehall artist Shaneil Muir says that she is looking to step away from dancehall as she seeks a more spiritual path. In an Instagram live on Sunday night, the entertainer revealed that she was having issues with her former manager, Richie Flores. She spoke of all the challenges she was facing in the industry and declared that she felt that they were drawing her closer to God. Shaneil later added that Flores, for Rebel Ace Music Limited, was no longer authorized to conduct business or collect monies on her behalf. The artist is yet to reveal anything in regards to her hospitalization. Hope she feels better soon. Now, on National Heroes Day, the Black woman and child singer Sizzla Kalonji graciously welcomed Prince Ermias, grandson of Haile Selassie, and his wife to Jamaica at the National Honors and Awards reception hosted by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport at Jamaica Pegasus Hotel in New Kingston. During his lengthy speech, Sizzla also declared his love for his African brothers and sisters, adding that the prince's presence is of great significance to the Rastafari family. He encouraged him to follow through with the reparation agenda for Black people under the rulership of ourselves as Black people. Prince Ermias later thanked Minister Grange for hosting him and presented her with gifts and noted that the day was very special. The entertainers present were then called on stage by Minister Grange to sing One Love, which turned into a mini stage show featuring Sizzla, Josie Wales, Carleen Davis, Tony Rebel, Marcia Griffiths, Nadine Sutherland, Omi, and others. Now, on the international scene, rapper Kanye West, now Ye, was sued by the family of George Floyd for $250 million after the artist alleged in his interview with podcast Drink Champs that the 46-year-old died from drug use rather than being murdered by a police officer.
They hit him with the fentanyl. If you look, the guy's knee wasn't even on his neck like that.
Medical examiner Dr. Andrew Baker testified back in 2020 that Floyd's immediate cause of death was cardiopulmonary arrest, complicating law enforcement's subdual restraint and neck compression, meaning the stopping of Floyd's heart and lungs that prevented him from breathing. In April 2021, Chauvin was found guilty on 3 murder and manslaughter charges and is now serving 2 prison sentences concurrently of more than 22 years. The 3 other officers involved in the incident received lighter sentences. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.